In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online payments in HubSpot Commerce 2020. Whether you're just getting started with HubSpot or you're a seasoned user looking to optimize your payment processes, this guide will walk you through each step. So let's dive right in. Begin by navigating to the HubSpot User Guide. This is your main dashboard, a familiar hub for all your account's administrative needs. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, and that's where you'll find all the tools you'll need to set up online payments. Once you're in the User Guide section, look for the tab labeled Commerce. The Commerce section is the heart of your financial operations on HubSpot. It's where you manage everything related to transactions, making it a crucial spot to understand. Clicking on the Commerce tab will open up a world of possibilities for managing and optimizing how you conduct business transactions online. Next, you need to head over to the Quotes section. The Quotes tool in HubSpot is particularly powerful. It allows you to generate professional quotes with just a few clicks, simplifying your sales process and providing clarity for both you and your clients. As you familiarize yourself with setting up quotes, you'll find that it streamlines communication and helps in setting expectations right from the start. Now you'll notice an option to set up online payments. Clicking on this option is a game changer, as it directly leads you to configure how transactions are handled in your HubSpot account. This feature allows you to seamlessly integrate payment processing and make your sales process more efficient. Through this setup, businesses have the opportunity to facilitate a smoother transaction experience for their customers, minimizing friction and boosting satisfaction. If you encounter any issues during this setup process, HubSpot's robust support and community resources can be a lifesaver. There are numerous tutorials and support forums that can assist in resolving any challenges you might face. Another tip is to regularly check for any updates or improvements in HubSpot's payment features, as these tools are constantly evolving to better serve user needs. By staying updated, you ensure that your business is always making use of the most efficient and secure methods available. It's crucial to understand that setting up online payments is not only about facilitating transactions, but also about enhancing customer experience. By providing a seamless payment process, you enhance trust and foster a more professional interaction with your customers. So there you have it. You've now gone through the steps to set up online payments within HubSpot Commerce 2025. Remember, the key to successful adoption of any tool is experimentation and continued exploration. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on maximizing your HubSpot experience.